So I was getting streaks from the wiper blade, driver's side here. So I replaced the wipers. Streaks didn't go away. I've had this happen before. And not only that, right here in the middle, there's a spot that's just plain not getting wiped. What that's a sign of is not enough pressure from the arm. So it's that spring inside there that is letting go after, what is it, 25 years this truck is? Should be simple to do this. Don't even need tools. No, maybe I do want pliers for that. It's all coming back to me now. You can't pull that out until you pull this arm up. Then it does come out finger tight. However, this bugger is jammed on there pretty freaking good. Now I understand why there is such a thing as an arm puller. It's a lot easier on my S10. Same exact wiper arm for them. It's a GM part. Nothing really strange or different about them. See if I can get her off. Okay, all I did was get the pliers up under the back edge on this side and pry up, and it's out. They're on snug. Probably should have paid attention. There is a keyway to it. And you see the key there, so it'll only go on one part right there. That's there. Shit. I'm not sure it's fully set. Not sure. Then, okay, that's set in. Boom. Should be back in business. Now the funny thing is, that one's all faded. This one's new and black. A lot of people just paint them. But for me, the reason I'm replacing is it seems like this spring doesn't hold anymore. I'm not sure why. We'll see when the weather comes back and the rain and stuff's going on if this actually fixed it. If not, I just wasted time and money. But for the S10, it absolutely did fix it. So I'll probably order another one for that side, I think. They are identical. They're identical side to side. So yeah, I think I'll probably order another one just to make them match. They're nice and pretty and black. I'd be called fastidious by some of my college friends for that. All right, simple stuff to make your life better. Catch you on the next one.